Hello friends, welcome to Commerce and MS Excel Hub. In this video, we will be looking at how to use the weekday function in Excel. Okay, the weekday is a function which will help you to know whether the given date is a Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, so on like that. Okay, so for this, you need to write weekday, and you need, in place of serial number, you should select the date and then comma. So here we have written types. So basically depends upon the region, they follow Sunday as a first or Monday as a first, and in some cases they follow Monday as 0 and Sunday as 6, like that. As per your requirement and your usual method which you follow, you can select this range. So the general method which is followed is number 2, which is considering Monday as number 1 and so on, and Sunday will be falling under number 7. Okay, so I will write 2 over here. So here you can see, so if you require this method you need to give 17, and if you require this particular method you should be giving 12, and then say close. Then it will write 7. So what is 7? So I have written these numbers based upon second method which I have given over here. So as per this number, 7 goes for Sunday. Okay, so here we will do simple VLOOKUP and have selected the number, and I will select the table array and then hit F4 and they say comma, and it will ask column index. So I have my result on second column, so I will say 2. Then range lookup, so we should be having exact match, so I will say false, and then close the bracket. So this is a weekday, so 5/6 is a Sunday, and just simply do Control D for remaining all other dates so that we will know what are these days. 5/7 is Monday, and 6/1 is a Friday, and 6/26 is a Tuesday, and 7/21 is a Saturday, and 8/15/2018 is a Wednesday. Okay, so let us try to make some kind of work. We will see in the year 2018, so what are the different days our month beginning will be falling. Okay, let us first get the month beginning dates. So I will take 2017 year end date, and then I will use EO month. So EO month will give us month end date, so we need to manually add +1 +2 so that we will be getting the next month beginning date. Okay, then I will give 0 so that it will be giving you the same 12/31 only. Okay, now we want to see what is a month beginning date. So this is the beginning date for the next month, and in the same way we need to get for all other remaining months as well. Okay, so again you write your month and comma 0 +1. Okay, and just do Control D. Okay, so we only require 2018 year. Okay, I will move this to top. Okay, this is completely for year 2018. Okay, let me put some color. Okay, now we have the dates, and we want to see what are the weekdays this month beginnings are falling. Okay, weekday, and this is a serial number, and I will use method 2, hit enter, and then we'll get the numbers. So after that, here we did VLOOKUP. So in this case, instead of writing separately, we will write that VLOOKUP also including weekday formula, so that we can avoid creating another additional column. Okay, so how to combine these two formulas I will show you. So instead of D9 where we are getting this weekday number, we just copy this weekday formula, okay, and place it in place of D9, okay, and just do Control D, and now you can delete these numbers. Still this will be working. So same thing we are going to do now. Okay, weekday is already updated, so I will write a VLOOKUP formula over here, simple VLOOKUP, and the lookup value will be this, and this will be my table array, and I have done A4, then number 2 to give the column index, and then false. Okay, so in place of I9 I should be giving this formula. So I have copied this formula, and I will go to this VLOOKUP, and in place of I9 I will just paste this formula. Okay, now just copy this entire formula and replace on the existing one. Just do Control D, delete this one. Okay, now we can see, so January 1st is coming on Monday, and February 1st is coming on Thursday, March 1st is coming on Thursday, and April 1st is on Sunday, May 1st is on Tuesday, and June 1st is on Friday, July is on Sunday, August Wednesday, September Saturday, October Monday, November Thursday, and December is on Saturday. Okay, in this way this weekday function will help you to plan your work accordingly. So we will be able to know on which day this particular date is going to fall, and whether we are going to work on that particular day or not, so that this requirements can be fulfilled or not. So we can plan our work accordingly. We can prepare a timetable based upon this weekday function as well. Okay friends, so this is all about weekday function. So if you have any doubts or queries with related to this, you can post in comment section, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share this video. Thanks for watching.